Today, I urge you to embrace the challenges that come your way. Life is full of hurdles, but remember that each obstacle is an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace the process of overcoming difficulties, for it is in these moments that you discover your true strength and resilience. Don't be disheartened by setbacks or the fear of failure. Instead, let them fuel your determination to reach your destiny. Maintain an unwavering belief in yourself and your dreams. No matter how impossible it may seem, keep pushing forward with a made-up mind, refusing to settle for mediocrity. Take a moment to reflect on what you truly desire. Write it down and create a vision in your mind. Let this vision be the driving force behind your actions and decisions. Remember that the mind is limitless, it holds the key to your success. Prepare yourself mentally, and the physical aspects will follow suit. Cultivate a competitive edge by continuously honing your mental fortitude. Embrace failures as stepping stones toward victory, for every successful person has experienced setbacks. Understand that the road to success is rarely smooth, but your relentless attitude will carry you through the tough times and lead you to triumph. Life may throw challenges your way, but don't let them define you. Rise above your mistakes, for they are opportunities for growth. Have the courage to persevere even when faced with adversity. Success often comes after a series of difficult moments, and your resilience will determine how far you go. Embrace the journey, knowing that there will be ups and downs. Keep moving forward, and never lose sight of your dreams. You have the power within you to overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Remember, every stumble is a chance to rise, and every fall is an opportunity to get back up stronger. Looking for a daily dose of inspiration and motivation? Look no further. Subscribe to my YouTube channel dedicated to all things motivational and join a community of like-minded individuals on a journey towards personal growth and success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your life one video at a time. Hit that subscribe button now.